Marcus. So do you want to start telling us about what's new for Autodesk here?
Sure, yeah, definitely. So we're here at NAB 2014, and we're very happy to be announcing the new releases of Flame and the Flame family of products. So that's Flame 2015. What's new? We have a number of new things, but I think most importantly, I'd like to call out the fact that we've got a new end-to-end 4K workflow. We've got a faster, a new system for rendering more quickly called Background Reactor, which allows you to add a second GPU to the workstation and offload your renders. And we've got a whole bunch of great new creative tools like 3D Shape, Matchbox in the timeline, and a new tool called Replica. There are other things in terms of the Flame product family of product. We've introduced a new product called Flame Assist, which is a timeline-based companion to a Flame workflow that runs on the Mac. It's 100% compatible with Flame and Flame Premium and is exclusively available to our Flame and Flame Premium customers. And for Flame Premium 2015, we've augmented the value of this offering. It includes Flame and Luster as part of a workflow, but it also now includes an additional seat of Flare and Flame Assist.
Okay, so so there's one whole package. No more standalone standalone products anymore?
So no, we absolutely still have Smoke. There's a new release of Smoke 2015 has come out at NAB as well. And so Smoke 2015, there are a number of new features in there, including new timeline effects workflow, 3D tracking, an XML interop improvement, the ability to run on the Mac Pro, and we're also introducing Smoke as a desktop subscription offering starting May 8th. It's available monthly, quarterly, and annual terms, making it very accessible for people to begin using Smoke.
So for Autodesk Premium, is that how you call
Flame
it?
Premium? Flame Premium?
Flame Premium. Okay, so it's a subscription based or is...
No, Flame Premium is a turnkey system with maintenance subscription, so people purchase the entire offering and then they can get subscription that's on an annual basis, which gives them access to new releases and support.
Okay. Because since most of our audience are very interested in Autodesk Smoke, would you talk a little bit more about the new features on Smoke?
Sure, yeah, no, I'd be very happy to. So I mean, with Smoke, what we're trying to do is address the needs of editors who need to do more than just edit, who want to add visual effects capabilities, because video is a very powerful tool for communication, but in order to really draw a lot of attention, you want to add as much visual excitement, interesting imagery, graphics, and things like that. So the new Smoke is a release that focuses on that, introducing the ability to add a number of effects directly in the timeline using the new timeline effects workflow. This includes the ability to also take advantage of 3D tracking. So this is a new feature that's been added to Smoke. One of the most requested features from our customers, in fact, and this can be added directly in the timeline as well through action. So the timeline effects workflow allows people to select segments in the timeline and then apply effects directly there, which is how editors work. They do have the ability to go into a procedural timeline, a node-based compositing tool called Connect Effects, but editors have been telling us that they prefer working in the timeline. It's a more natural environment for them. So our goal was to introduce a workflow, which is what timeline effects is all about, that'll let them do what it is that they need to do and expose the powerful effects capabilities of Smoke at the timeline level.
Yeah, so there are lots of NLE out there. So what do you think the most, strongest features that the Flame has to offer?
For Smoke?
For Smoke, yes.
Yeah, definitely Smoke is a very, very powerful effects tool set. We're excited about the ability for people to now do more of the kind of work that they need, the 3D compositing type of things directly in the timeline. 3D compositing is really what sets Smoke apart, and with the ability now to do 3D tracking as well, it's a very powerful system for integrating 2D and 3D content together and creating very high impact visual imagery for people using Smoke for editors.
So you're saying that more interaction with other softwares like Maya or 3D?
Well, certainly, and there's even other examples of other tools like certainly Maya and 3ds Max are important, but you can bring in even 2D video or images and bend them in 3D space as well. So Smoke gives you the tools to create a lot of the 3D content that you need as well, but definitely interaction with 3ds Max and Maya are very important as well.
Final question. Is Smoke difficult to learn?
Well, Smoke is a very powerful tool. Our goal has been to make it easier and easier for people who have primarily an editing background, editors that work in Final Cut Pro, Avid, or Premiere, so that they can take advantage of what they already understand about timeline-based workflows. So for sure, in order to get more advanced in terms of the visual effects capabilities, there is a bit to learn. But we do have some interesting tools that help people online. There's a Smoke Learning channel, and we recently just published a book, Smoke Essentials, which help people get understand how the new tool set works, so they get an overview of smoke in its entirety. And I wonder if there are any of these books around. I'd like to show you one right now, but I'm afraid we might be all out because they've been very popular at the show.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.